Okay, so today we are going to show you a very, very quick and easy way that you can create a QR code which allows your friends, your relatives, or if you own a business offering free Wi-Fi, your customers to be able to connect to your Wi-Fi without having to give them a password. This is quite handy if you perhaps have got like I say, a business and you want to put the QR code on the menu so the customers can just quickly and easily scan that QR code. And I'll just show you how easy it is. You just go into the camera app on your phone. Most phones you can do that. Just go over to the QR code and then tap join Wi-Fi network and then just tap join. And there we go, as easy as that. That is now connected to the Wi-Fi. If I come out of the camera, you should see in a couple of seconds the Wi-Fi icon come up. There we go. And if I just click on something, there you go, I'm connected now to the Wi-Fi. As simple as that. That's also handy if you've got an awfully long code for your Wi-Fi, which is quite common now with many routers. Now, it's always worth having a look at the back of your router to see if anywhere near the Wi-Fi name and password there is already a QR code there, because literally then that's easy. You can just take a photo or scan in that QR code. But if you haven't already got a QR code, then we're going to show you how you can generate one. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things help us make more great videos for you. So in this part, we need to go to the computer, open up your browser. Now I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, but you could open up Chrome, Edge, Opera, Firefox, whatever your favourite browser is. Then go to the address bar at the top of the screen, not the search anywhere else, but the address bar right at the top, and then type in there cwtek.co.uk. And then once you've typed that in, press enter or return on your keyboard. Pause this video if you need to write this down. So once you've done that, enter or return, and then you should see this come up. And then you want to go here to Life Hacks, left click that, and then click on create your free Wi-Fi QR code. And then you'll see there another one that says create a QR code for your Wi-Fi. So click on that. And then what you want to do is you just want to click on this little link here, just at the bottom, left click on that, and this should take you to this website here. Now, what you need to do here is you need to, in SSID, is to type in your network name. This is the name that you look for when you're trying to join your network. It might be shown as SSID, it might be shown as network name. If you're not sure what your Wi-Fi details are, they're probably on the top, the back, or the underneath of your router. If you still don't know what they are, whoever set your router up, ask them what your Wi-Fi code is. Or if they don't know, then if you can, ask your internet provider. So you need to type in the network name exactly as it's shown on your router, or whoever wrote it down for you. It is case sensitive, so you need to make sure wherever there's a capital letter, you must put a capital letter. Wherever there's a lowercase letter, you must put a lowercase letter. So in my case, my Wi-Fi is quite simply my with a capital M and Wi-Fi with a capital W. All the rest of it is in lowercase. Okay, leave hidden unchecked and then click into password. And my Wi-Fi password is my with a capital M and then Wi-Fi with a capital W and then password with a capital P. Now, I wouldn't ever recommend setting your password to this. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Now, again, make sure it's exactly as it's shown on your router. Again, it's case sensitive, so wherever there's a capital letter, put in your capital letter. Wherever there's a lowercase letter, put in your lowercase letters. Also, make sure, you might find that you might have a capital L in there, which might also be an I in some cases, and O's might be zeros. So double check it, triple check it, quadruple check it before you put it in here. If you get anything wrong, then quite simply the QR code isn't going to work. It's going to throw people out and they're going to be on at you saying, what's your Wi-Fi password? So next thing we need to do is we need to set our encryption. Now, normally leaving this set to WPA/WPA2 is good enough. Most routers these days have got WPA/WPA2. Some have WPA3, but don't worry about that. I think that should be okay having this set to just WPA/WPA2. And then all you want to do is you just want to click the green generate QR code. That's a left click there. And then you'll see your QR code up the top there. But what you want to do is you want to really download it to your computer. So I'm going to click on download JPG. So click on that. Ignore this that comes up, okay? Don't worry. In the background, your code is being generated, and hopefully within a few seconds now, there you go. It's shown you at the top right hand corner that it's now downloaded as frame.png. Now, if we just close this down, I'm going to click on the cross just there and close that down. And I'm just going to close this website down, and we're going to close my website down. Or if you want to, have a browse through it, see if there's anything else in there that might be of interest to you. So I'll close that down though for the moment. And then I'm just going to go into any yellow folder, and then I'll go into downloads just over there on the left. And then we should see in there a file called Frame. And if we double click on that, that should open up in our favorite photo viewing program. And then we may well have the option there at the top or along the side to be able to print that. Or if we wanted to, we could say, for instance, we could open up Word and insert that in Word. Or you know, if you've got another publishing program you want to insert into, you've got that option to insert in there. If you want to put it on a menu, say, for instance, to make it easier for customers to scan the QR code on a menu, you know, instead of them keep asking you, oh, what's the Wi-Fi code? They can just scan the QR code off of the menu or off of a separate sheet of paper, freeing up your time, giving you more time to serve the customer rather than standing there repeating a Wi-Fi code 60 times in a night. If I want to add this to, say, a Word document, I can just go into Word, click on Insert, click on Picture. From this device, we want to select, and then we want to go into the Downloads folder, find our picture called Frame, double click on that, and there you go. You can put it in there. You can resize it if you want to. Make it bigger, make it smaller. You can put other stuff around it if you want to. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes, and VPNs. Buying, subscribing, and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family, or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X. I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website. It's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching, and speak to you again soon.